So we told Rhea she gets to open a Christmas present 2 days early.
Rhea, here.
Rhea,
Here.
there you go. Open it. Open it. Pull it out. What is it? Show us. What is it? What is it? What is it? Show us.
Rhea? I bought that for you. Do you like it?
Do you like it? What is it? Show us. Show us. Batteries!
And what else?
What else is in there? I think it fell over there, didn't it?
No, that's hers.
Oh, what else? No, that's mine.
No, that wasn't in the present. That's...
What else is in there? Besides batteries. What else?
Do you like it?
What is it? What else is in there?
Taco
Hot
Bell
sauce! That is the best sauce ever. So did you like your Christmas present? Did you like it? Merry Christmas, Rhea.